Hi, Thomas!
What he used to do?
Huh?
That's where this train used to run, Connecticut Valley.
No, that's the name.
Just the name?
Yeah.
Did he tell you the area or no?
Yeah, it's the area. It runs
Yeah.
Bye, Thomas!
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
Ma'am.
That's, you're so nice. Seriously, so
Child
nice.
can't see.
Stand right here and give us some hugs.
Here, let me see if I can bring him where he can see. I'm gonna put you up so you can see.
You see Tommy coming? Oh, what is he saying? I think he's talking to you guys.
Yeah, he's talking.
Jaden, cone.
Brittany, he's.
I mean, is this like a professional?
Sorry.
Are we still in the frame?
No, you're good. You're good.
We have you.
What?
Yeah.
Nah.
Yes, we do. Joey had the
We
mini
do
version
have
of
you.
Tommy.
You're
Yeah.
right.
Hi, Thomas!
Hey, Tommy.
How's it going? Smile for the camera.
Wow.
And then you'll get a break after. All right, folks, if we're gonna do photos, come line up. There are two guys in there.
So excited to visit your town. Come and see me at Day Out with Thomas.
Right there, not taking it. You don't have to go with it.
Oh my God.
what? Number 40. Yeah. Looking at the smoke door? You looking at it? It's even bad when you have asthma.
To you?
It's even bad for those who have asthma.
Including you.
That's smart, don't you? Technically, but it's worth it.
Be careful though.
Oh! That was a jolt. That was a huge jolt.
I didn't expect it. Was it release of the brake or something? You filming the whole thing?
Yeah.
Back and forth or just forth?
Back and forth.
Back and forth.
If I can.
Welcome aboard, everybody. Welcome aboard A Day Out with Thomas. Please.
Let's
do
go.
not try to open the windows by yourself. Please do not put your feet on the seat in front of you. That's not what they're made for. Be sure you stay in your seat for the entire excursion. It won't be long, it's about 22 minutes. And enjoy the Thomas event with us. We'll be coming along with some things to hand out to you to continue your fun with the day of Thomas.
Strasbourg.
It's really just more fun. You get to see more. Like right in the field.
Yeah, Essex is just as scenic.
Huh?
Essex is just as scenic.
Yes, what?
Just as scenic. Oh, and this is dumb. And this must be old Deep River Road.
The crossing.
Party train.
Party train.
Party train. Yeah.
Oh, we came through here.
Yeah.
You came from here too.
Yeah. This is banger. You're the leader. Come on. 2, 4, 6, 8. Shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue. They're the useful crew. That's who. Always different roles to play. Routes in the shirts and far away. Now Stanley's joined this friendly pack. Now who's this coming down the track? Thomas is my number one. working hard but having fun. Thomas, you're the leader. Thomas, you're the leader. Yeah. Thomas has so many friends. The list is long, it never ends. James and Percy, Huff and Puff, and Emily, she knows her stuff. Henry, Edward, what a pair. There's Toby, like I say, he's square. Gordon thunders down the line. Everyone's a friend of mine. Thomas, he's my number one. Shining in the morning sun. Working hard but having fun. Thomas, you're the leader. The number one, Thomas.
Okay, we've come to a stop, as you can see, and I just talked to the engineer. It appears as though the track is being repaired by Gordon and his track crew. So we can't go any further. We'll have to go back. And Thomas has a lot of work to do now because he is going to pull us up this hill. Oh, here he goes. I think he's got us. I think he's got us underway. Good, Thomas. Thank you very much.
Shining in the morning sun, working hard but having fun. Thomas, you're the leader. Thomas, you're the leader. Man, how Rocky Hobby too. Shorty Mavis Percy, the really useful crew. With engines full of steam, the shocking noise is building too. Ticking stones and dipping lows, filling trucks and holding nose to top of hat. He keeps an eye on every engine passing by. Everything is tickety-boo, cause out in front is you know who. Thomas is my number one, shining in the morning sun, working hard but having fun. Thomas, you're the leader. Thomas, you're the leader. Thomas, he's my number one, shining in the morning sun, working hard but having fun. Thomas, you're the leader. Thomas, you're the leader.
Really got this party started. I'm so happy to have you on board and to see all your smiling faces. This celebration just made me think of some party jokes my best friend Percy told me. Would you like to hear them? Okay, here goes. What do you sing to a bunny rabbit on its birthday?
Oh my god, no, no.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
That joke made me die
What
inside.
type of music are party balloons scared of? Pop music. Why don't we listen to some more pop songs as we continue to party on our journey?
Oh my god.
Let's roll.
Go, Thomas. Go, go. Number one. Go, go, Thomas. Something new's gonna happen today. Oh, mama. Hey, hey, hey. Use your ears. Use your eyes. Thomas is here for a big surprise. The tracks,
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
hills, nobody sees. Edward, Emily, James, and Toby too. Gordon, Henry, Percy coming through. Thomas and friends all know what to do. Go, go! Thomas! Thomas, number one! Go, go! Thomas! Thomas, number one! Oh no. Oh. I forgot. Which song? Is this an Alden's Go song? I forgot. Mid. This music is mid. This music is mid. Just like all the other stuff. Go be a big sensation. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Are you here to see Thomas?
Yes.
Yeah.
Who else? Thank you.
Hi. Where are we from? New York.
Diesel's mood in this song is just hilarious. No, I'm just talking about Diesel's mood in this song. He's just, Thomas and Percy are just, well, Diesel's just. Get out of my way. Hey, hey, hey. Go, 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 go. The friends between Thomas, friendship always wins.
Let's all sing along to some more songs and celebrate the party fun we had today. As we head back to the station, music is everywhere!
Okay, all you Thomas fans, please stay in your seats until I give you the okay that you can be aboard the train, otherwise it will not be a safe situation. Again, use the handrails, watch your step. These cars were built for another time, for another type of person.
Wind in the pipes goes whoosh, 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 whoosh. Watch my wind in the pipes goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Music is everywhere.
Be advised when you get off the train, please be mindful of the staff. They will direct you to where you can take a photo with Thomas. Do not walk down the platform. That's the wrong thing to do. Thomas has pulled its back. We're almost there. And that's where Thomas is. You can guess where he is, can't you? Because
the station.
He's pulling us.
how you can tell it's a different Thomas? See the eyes are different?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how, well, there's two ways how you can tell the difference. The eyes are different and the whistle. Okay. Because none of them sound the same at all.